everyone, let's learn today 3D paper toy. I'm gonna tell you step by step. I wrote number on the paper so you can make it easily. First, subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's start. First, I took A4 size paper sheet. Make all squares of 4.5 centimeters. Now draw this line exact as showing in the picture. I wrote numbers on the square so it will be easy for everyone. Now draw second line as showing in the picture. Now third line you can see in the picture. The fourth line in the upside of the corner. Now we will make some diamonds, so draw lines as showing in the picture. Draw second line to make diamond shape. Now draw third line, so it will look like this. You can see in the picture. Now fourth line. Now fifth line. Now join all the diamonds. You can see some dots under the diamonds. So we will cut this part. So I draw these lines for you. Like this as showing in the picture. We will cut this part. After cutting, it will look like this. Now you can see some dots, so we will cut this part. Now you can see upside of the corner, we will cut this part too. We will use this part to join this 3D toy. Now we will make crease on every single line. So I used scissor, but not the sharp side, blunt side of the scissor. Now you can see back side of the paper, so you can see the crease. We will fold all the lines from the front side. As I'm doing in this video, do it exactly like this to make very neat and clean crease and press them. Now take this part and just make some more creases and just make them neat and clean. We are making these creases for the toy shape. You can see in the picture how creases are looking like this. Now we will draw backside of the paper some design. You can draw as you want. I drew this design. Now we will fold one more time. We will make one more time crease. You can see in the picture after drawing I just made some more creases and it will look like this diamond shape, and we will hold it. We will join these two parts together to give it a toy shape. You can see these two parts, and I will keep other part over it and like this, and then join this together. These two parts I told you we will use it to join this toy. So these are the small parts. So we will glue it. First we will use one downside part, and we will stick it to the other side of the toy. So you can see how I glued this part. After joining them together, I pressed it. Now we will join other small part of the toy. So glue it and join it as showing in this video. We made so many creases, so don't worry, this toy will take its shape easily. Now you can see these three parts, so we will join them together. So will glue it. Apply some glue on it and then press it down and join them together. You can see in the picture how I am doing that. So look it carefully and then join it together. Press it lightly and just try it. Look how beautiful it is. Write in the comment if you like this video. I tried to tell step by step so you can make it easily. So subscribe my channel for other videos.